Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the world and materials. You need hard mode active because green thread imports require hard mode crafting paths. Once done, make sure your world's evil biome is known, corruption or crimson matters for available enemies. Immediately head to areas where spiders spawn for spider fangs and confirm you have tattered cloth or silk resources from beds. You don't waste time with base building yet. Focus on breaking a demon or crimson altar and gathering at least 5 spider fangs to progress. Now you assemble components. Convert cobwebs into silk at a loom. 10 cobwebs make 1 silk, because silk is the textile base for thread. Next, combine silk with spider fangs at a loom or compatible crafting station to form the green dye-infused material. This imparts color and unlocks the green thread recipe. Once mixed, use a dye vat if you need finer shade control, because dye vat allows layering and precise percentages, whereas a dye trader simply sells fixed dyes. Finish by crafting green thread at the loom using the silk and green dye component you prepared. Place silk and the dye into the station and craft the thread recipe. Once you have thread, test it on fabrics or armor to confirm hue. If it's off, return to the dye vat and add small increments of dye to correct the shade, then re-dye the item. If the recipe doesn't appear, make sure you're on the correct game version and that no mods changed crafting tables or ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.